Hey lovelies, welcome here and thank you for clicking on my video. If you are new here, you are welcome. We love you so much. Please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Do not forget to like this video and leave your questions in the comment section below. This particular bag is a bag that I love so much. It is so cute and I hope you enjoy learning how to make it. These are my materials right here. I have my zipper. I've got my zipper pull. I have this D ring that I'm going to be using with the strap. I have my liner right here and then my leather, this nude brown color leather. So right now let's head on into drafting our pattern. For my pattern, this is the pattern for the Baguette Bag series episode 2. So for you to learn how to draw this pattern, you have to watch that video. I'm going to link it down in the description box below, so you can just click on the link to learn it. Alright, so I'm just going to be making some adjustments on this particular pattern for today's bag. So on this side right here, I'm going to measure 3 inches on this side. And then down here also I'm going to measure 3 inches also. So I'm just going to freehand and draw my curve from one 3 inches mark to the other 3 inches mark. You can use whatever curve material you want to use here, but I prefer my freehand. So on the center point here, I'm going to mark 1.5 inch on both sides. 1.5 inches on both sides, and I'm going to just freehand that side also. After doing all that, you can just cut it off. So here is my pattern, guys. I'm going to head on into cutting my leather. This is the body of my leather, so I'm going to pick up one and measure around the edges just like so to be able to figure out the length of my gusset. Mine is 20.5 inches. Yours might be longer or shorter, so you just have to measure yours also. So here I am marking 4 inches by 20.5. So at the top of my gusset, I'm going to measure 1 inch, 1 inch, or so by 5 inches. Alright guys, so these are my pattern pieces. This is my lining, this is my main leather from the body, and the line for my gusset, and I have this 4 inches by 22 inches that I cut out for my strap. So I'm just going to be folding it like something like this to have 1 inch. Okay, so and then I have this piece that I cut out for my piping. I'm going to be using piping for the bag. So for my piping, I have my piping here. This is the regular one. So what I did is I cut off this this part of the piping. So I cut them off because with my leather it's going to be like too hard for my sewing machine. So I just cut that part off. Alright. So I'm just going to put this in between this and sew it straight down. Join this part. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pick up one part of my body just like so, and I'm going to measure 1 inch from the top right here and place my piping to start right from here. Okay, so I'm going to go sew this one around and do the same thing for this part. This is it after joining it. I feel like the shape I'm trying to achieve at this base here is not coming out, but let us wait and see. So the next thing we're going to do is pick up our gusset and the body and then join them together. So this is it right here. Next thing to do is to join the other side. So I'm going to pick this up and attach them together with my clip before taking it down to my sewing machine. So next, so I'm just going to join my linings together too. So this is my bag after joining it. This is my bag after joining. So I joined my lining also and I left the base opened for the turning of my bag. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my zipper. So this is my zipper. I have inserted the zipper pull. So right here I'm going to fold this down, something like this. I'm going to do something like this on both sides. So I went ahead to sew this down and I added a tab at the bottom of my zipper. Right here I have created my D-ring holder. So next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to flip my bag to the right side and I'm going to sew down my D-ring on both sides of my gusset. Now for my zipper, I'm going to place it in such a way that the zipper part of the zip is facing my leather and facing downwards, so the fabric part is the one I am clipping with the top of my bag. I'm going to do the same for the second side also. After stitching my zipper to my bag, I'm going to flip it back to the wrong side. And then I'm going to turn my lining to the right side and then put it right inside the bag. So I'm going to clip it and place the gusset on the gusset and the sides on the sides. This is another call to action for you to click on that subscribe button like right now. After sewing it down, I'm going to turn my bag to the right side using the space I left opened in the lining. If you have gotten this far, well done, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video also. The next thing to do at this point is to top stitch around the top of the bag. So right now I'm going to be fixing my strap. I'll be securing my strap using my rivet, so I'm going to make a hole with my piercing howl to make a hole right there and put in my rivet. And our bag is ready. Wow, this is so beautiful. So did you enjoy this tutorial? I would like to see your response in the comment section below. Click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on it. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you so much guys for watching my tutorials. I really appreciate you all and I love you. Thank you once again, and I'm going to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.